Here we have the start of the second game.
Here we go.
The laxative versus the Blizzards. Now we have two laxatives.
We do have two laxatives, Dave. What happened there?
Well, I believe that there was a late entry.
A late entry? Is that what happened?
Not knowing what the names were. It was just a coincidence.
It was a coincidence?
So one has a hyphen in the name, the other one doesn't.
So who's the are we watching the hyphens or the
We are watching the hyphens and the Blizzards.
Hyphens and the Blizzards. This is going to be a good game.
Double dose of laxative.
Double dose of laxative.
Yes.
I've done that once on a trip. Didn't end well.
This sport's about running, so.
Lots of running. I'll tell you what, this is going to be a good game. Taisha Skuse in goal, fresh off her under-19 Aussie campaign.
Yes, should be
She's
good.
got her fella Anthony out, gun football player, so he's going to have an engine and a beautiful head. Hi, Anthony. I'm going to get his number before the end of the game.
So looking at the lineup of these two teams,
Yes,
who
yes,
would
sir.
you put money on?
I'm going to put my money on the Blizzards. Yeah, the Blizzards for sure. I'll tell you, Pinky's a liability, we know that. But Taisha in the goal, Blake with his box experience, the engine of Anthony, I reckon he's going to go well. Jack, great runner for the hyphens, but, you know, a bit dodgy. And really, this is right here. This is the liability right here. The goalkeeper, Travis Parrish, is going to let so many goals in. It's going to be unrelenting. So I think he's going to cost his side the game today. There we go, Blakey.
So we have our two passes.
There we
And the
go.
Blizzards set to shoot.
Over guarding there by Jack. Very, very fast, young Jackie boy. Never takes a backward step. Let's see this first set. Nice take by Hathaway. Yeah. And that's what you got to watch for. That's going to happen all day.
Blake Alford.
Travis has perfected the art of the reach back and rake from his years playing against North Adelaide. Blake's going to do that all day. They've got to get someone out on him. He can shoot from out there. And with his box game, he'll be looking for those pick and rolls.
Young Jay-Z with the pass to Jasmine.
It's saved by Taish.
Our under-19 Australian goalkeeper.
Jackie boy's got the athleticism though. He's going to be a big X factor in this game. Here we go. Blakey's off again. Nice look to Pinky. And again,
Another
Blakey
outside
Alford
shot by Blake.
outside shot.
2 for Blake.
2 for Blake.
Blizzards up 2-0.
That's going to be all day, Davey. All day. There's Gronky. Big Gronk. One of the most improved guys. One of the best first-year players I've ever seen, young Luke Sellen. Made his state league debut against Glenelg this year. Did a great job. Oh, Jackie boy. Nice finish, Jack Zagopoulos. Young Anthony. First touch, first possession. Oh, and he's taken it away from him. Mr. Renshaw with no sense of occasion. Oh, nice take by Jasmine. Good stop. Jazz has got a lot of athleticism. Trav, this is you, mate. Oh, Trav, you meant to do the opposite of that. Yeah, that was a goal. You're wearing red 7, you're putting a performance in like this. Come on, Trav. Blakey all for now on the break. He specialises in the transition game, Blake. That's a joke, Dave. Good 1-2. Oh, yeah. Nice take there by Trav.
First time touching the ball without getting it out of the goal.
Oh, and Mr. Renshaw again with no sense of occasion has just stripped the new player of his first goal. You're a party pooper, Mr. Renshaw. Oh, Anthony with his first legitimate touch. Good pass. Oh, no. Taish out of the cage. Big body check by Taish. She's definitely a Skuse. Oh, Blakey! I forgot there was a net there, Dave. That scared me a little bit. Oh, back of the net. Blake's not afraid to rip it, is he, Dave?
No, he's not.
Jackie Zagopoulos with the pace.
There's two that have now come directly at us.
Maybe he's not a fan of us as we are. Gronk. Oh, nice bounce pass. I don't think that was the intent. Good defense by Anthony. Good job. Jazzy with that athleticism from the top. Oh.
Shovel shot.
Another save by Tysh. I wouldn't want to look at the goalie stats. I don't think they're favourable for Mr. Parrish. Good bit of possession now for the Laxatives. See if they can't convert.
Young JC.
Young JZ had another good look. He likes that underarm shot, Dave.
He does.
Finds Hathaway. Nice save there by
The
Trav.
Hyphens aren't doing too bad.
The Hyphens are actually very competitive. They've had a good sort of run.
They are going up against a good goalkeeper.
A great goalkeeper, Dave. You're not wrong. Nice cut out there by Blakey. Well read. Now he needs his runners. Oh, he's got Anthony. The first game, a great pass. And I'd love to, I hate to say it live on Facebook, but classic Pinky. Fluffing a one-on-one on the bottom left.
I would say it's that door over there being open. There's too much sunlight coming in.
Oh, good coverage there by Trav. Hyphens again. They've had a good bit of possession here, Dave. They need to convert, though. Well cut out by Hathaway.
Blizzards with a few unlucky shots.
Absolutely. I think Tysha's keeping her team in the game. She's been great. Pinky again. The broken record. One-on-one miss. Well done by Anthony. There's that engine. He's a bull at a gate. Oh, nice look. Save again by Tysha. Save again by Tysha. Blakey now trying to set it up, take control. Recognises his team have been up against it, playing a bit of transition. Just need to settle down. Nice look to Pinky. Oh my goodness me. I guess even a broken clock is right twice a day, Dave, because Pinky's just scored.
1 out of 3 is not bad. It's not good.
It's not good.
But it's not bad.
It's not bad. Another great save by Tysha Skuse. I don't think it's safe to say, Dave, if it wasn't for Tysha's play, the Hyphens would be in all kinds of trouble. Great check by Travis. No free possessions for his girlfriend, Jasmine. That's the way I like it. Give her nothing, Travis. Jasmine with the ball, looking for a cutter. Jackie Boy with the pace to burn. Yeah. Jasmine had a matchup she liked there, but again, fails to convert. It's got to be frustrating for... Oh, nice goal. Finally, the dam's been broken.
And by first timer.
By the first timer, too. Tysha finally breached. She's been huge, Dave. As a former goalkeeper, what do you like about Tysha's game?
It would have to be body positioning is key in this level of the game.
Absolutely. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Hey. And for the first time in his life, Travis has got his balls to drop. This is great. So you reckon body positioning is key, Dave?
Body position is key. It's a small goal.
Yep.
If you get your body in the right spot, you won't need to use your stick.
Right. So you would approach it differently than you would in field? The way you would approach.
Definitely.
Yeah. Oh, open goal. Dave, broken record. Pinky 1-on-1 on the bottom left, misses.
4 from... he's got 1 out of 4.
1 out of 4. 25% shooter. Now, Dave, I recall a certain stick save that you may have made in a 2317 grand final that won your team a premiership.
I do believe that after that save,
Yeah, you
there
cleared
was
it.
an underarm clear.
There was an underarm clear
to your shoulder.
to my shoulder, Dave. Not that we like to bring up the past, Dave,
No.
but it's a great story. Jasmine Newmarch, great take. Good finish that time. You see, that's that body position. You've got to move the goalkeeper.
Exactly.
And they haven't moved Tysha. And then that time, Jasmine, a couple of fakes moved her. got some success. Oh, the old underarm shot. A pass by Anthony. We're tired, Dave. When did that happen? Jasmine Newmarch with the ball.
Now Jack can shoot here.
Jack can shoot.
It's
Great look to
Sellen by
Gronk.
himself.
Yeah, great look from
Luke Sellen puts it away.
puts it away.
Putting
Gronky in the end
Lax's
zone.
up.
They're up, Dave. They're up.
4-3.
4-3. What a comeback. Travis has definitely found his range.
Now
He's
you
starting to-
had the Blizzards.
and another big save. What are they up, Dave? I had the Blizzards. Great save
Another
by
save
Travis.
again.
Give her nothing, Travis. And Mr. Parrish has found his range in the cage here. He's been on fire. Earlier it was Taisha's play keeping her team in the game. Now Trav's taken over. Yeah, stick of Jason, I would say, mate. Trav trying to blame his teammate for a drop pass. Not very good team work there. Not very good sportsmanship. Travis, if you're going to wear red 7, it's always someone else's fault. It's always someone else's fault, mate. Good job. It's all camaraderie. Well, Blake Hallford for the 4th time shot at me. Here
Must
comes
have
the
some AirPods in listening to the live stream. Shovel shot here by first timer.
the first time, not bad.
And we have a free for the Blizzards.
The free the Blizzards. What happened, Dave? I'm getting heckled by the crowd, mate. I missed that
I'm
one.
not actually sure. I think it was a stick check.
Stick check. Young Anthony finds Pinky at the top. Good take. Look at the first game of go. Good look. Now Blake's going to look to shoot. Lifts his head well. Oh, finds Hathaway. Oh, Anthony. Oh, unlucky. Young Anthony's just bulldodged Harry Potter out of the way. He's had a go.
He did reach for it, but he didn't Accio ball.
He did not. I couldn't quite argue. Well, I told him it was Leviosa, not Leviosa. And maybe if he got it right, Anthony would have got away with that. Oh, Pinky. I don't think he intended that.
When
Young
does he?
When does he? Oh, great look. Oh, yeah, might have been a check there. Yeah. It was the right play. Professional foul from Mr. Parrish. And there's the ball, Anthony getting after it. Great 1-2 from Gronk. Saved by Taisha.
Jay-Z with the pick up.
Oh, he's almost found Gronk again on the bottom left. Nice look. Oh, unlucky Blakey. Good save by Trav. Finds Blake again, but terrible pass. Mr. Zagopoulos, great ground ball. Needs his passes now.
Good cut out.
Well done by Anthony. Getting brownie points by passing it to the girlfriend. I like it. Pinky ambitious to say the least.
Shot from halfway.
I haven't seen him complete.
Missed 3 on the crease. I don't know why he would try that.
I haven't seen him complete a pass that far in a game. I don't know why he's shooting.
1 from 5.
1 from 5 from Pinky. 20% might actually be a career best. That's what's sad. Because I don't think he's ever had 5 shots in a game.
Well, we haven't reached half time.
That's
still
true.
got time to
We got
improve.
Jay-Z with the pace. Oh, lovely
Jay-Z with the
goal.
underarm shot.
Travis Parrish didn't mind that one. He's letting me know how much he enjoyed it. Jay-Z, very nicely done. They almost can't fit his surname on the scoreboard. Great save again by Travis. Blake, after having a hot hand early, has just dropped off a bit. Needs a second pass. Save by Travis.
So
Whoa.
here we are at half-time. LAX-atives 5 to the Blizzards 3.
What do you think of that half, Dave?
That was a good half. I mean, you had the Blizzards.
I did have the Blizzards, Dave.
It is only half-time, but we have LAX-atives up 2 goals.
Yep.
I think that was a good half.
Good half for lacrosse.
I think the Blizzards probably pushed a bit too hard early.
Yeah, I think you're right, Dave.
And have run out of a bit of steam.
I think you're right, Dave. Great observation, mate.
But then again, I can't talk my game.
Well, it's all going to change now because I think Travis has gone on the field. And for a goalkeeper, he makes a great field player. He is awful. I think for me, the difference there, Dave, was early on Taisha was keeping her team in the game, making all the saves. And then Travis found his range and he was seeing everything. So,
LAX-atives with the momentum.
Dangerous decision to take Travis out of the goal once he got hot.
Taisha's come out.
Taisha's coming, but and they've put the Blizzards put Blake in the cage. Jack's in goal. I would have said before I saw Blake going in the goal, I would have given the money on the Blizzards to run away with this without Travis in the cage.
Now it could.
But now Blake's in the goal. I think the LAX-atives have got this one in the bag. Interesting decision to take your hot shooter and put him in the cage. And then an even more interesting decision to take your hot goalkeeper and put him on the field. No warm-up opportunity for these goalkeepers, Dave. What do you think about that?
It's a risky move. And let's see how it plays out.
We just got to look for Mr. 20%. The poor man's Heisenberg, Luke McCard, staring at us. He's breaking incredibly bad.
The 25-year-old, 50-year-old.
25-year-old, 50-year-old. Great save. Blake making me eat my words.
Well, from the first half, the amount of shots he took, he is good at not getting the ball in the goal.
Oh, Gronk. Good look, Gronk.
Gronk to Harry Potter.
Gronk to Harry Potter.
Now,
couldn't happen there. Here we go. Taisha needs some passes.
Stick check by
Travis Parrish yelling for some unknown reason.
And
oh no,
Pinky!
3 from 6. No, is that 2 from 6? 2 from 6, sorry. The stats are going up.
Well, he's on 33%.
33%, he's doing alright. There's one back for the Blizzards. Here comes Travis Parrish. Oh, jeez, Travis! I want him off. I want him sent off.
So here we
I want him sent off. I want Parrish off for that.
Dangerous shot.
Dangerous shot. Get him off the court, sir. He's unhinged. Oh, great save by Jackie boy.
Now, Jack in juniors is a goalie. So
he is. Premiership winning goalkeeper, Dave, much like yourself. Just came off an under-17s premiership there.
So the LAX-atives have 2 goalkeepers.
The LAX-atives are all a goalie rich. Great work by Harry Potter. Just get
the ball.
I'll tell you what though, I like Harry's game. He is going hard for a first timer. He's given 0 Fs. He's given it a real shake. Travis Parrish again. Great save by Blake Alford. It's going to stay with Travis.
Over blocking penalty.
Yeah, 2 on 1. 2 on 1 as well. But Blake stayed big in the cage. That was beautiful. I'm just getting away from Joshua Tate, the people's champion over there. One of the big organisers of this night. We thank Josh for all his hard work this year for the club. Thank you, Josh.
Now we call him people's champ because that is commonly used for the Rock, and he looks like a bowler.
Oh, I love it, Dave. I love it. Hathaway up the top. McCard on the bottom right. Dangerous for him and his team. I loved Anthony's aggression, I must confess.
Hathaway puts it away.
No, at the back, mate.
Oh, was at the back.
Yeah, just went over the top.
Goal.
No goal. I've really enjoyed, I tell you what, the first timers, Anthony and Mr. Potter, have just played this game with an aggression that I love to see, Dave. Real high tempo. Well cut out by Jasmine. Taisha Skews had no one to pass to there. Gronk with the ground ball.
Gronk to Potter.
Gronk to Potter. Potter finds him. Great save. Oh no. Blake just toying with him now. Stop teasing him, Blake Alford. You can't fly with the field stick either, Blake, but that's all right. Oh, nice finish. Hathaway open on the crease. Sticks it away. Tie game.
5-5. LAX-atives need to put one away here.
All the momentum.
No.
Overguarding.
No
goal. Oh, was it? Oh, he's done it from the crease. But that doesn't change the fact that the LAX-atives are up against it this half, Dave. All the momentum is with the Blizzards at the moment. Oh, nice bounce pass. Jasmine Newmarch couldn't take it. Hathaway with the ground ball. Finds McCard. Taisha to Anthony. Anthony rips it. The first timer. His first goal ever from his misso. That's great play. Well done, Anthony. Great first goal, mate. We appreciate you. Now we've got a tie game, Dave. Good save by Alford. Yeah, Alford's ball. Oh, high clear. He's missed Pinky. Parrish with the ball now.
Second pass, he can shoot.
Oh, good save again by Alford. Great defense by Anthony. Great save again by Blake. Great job by Anthony. Oh, Gronky. Well done, Gronk. Needs passes. Needs one more pass. Finds Gronk. Oh, he just had to stick it past his brother-in-law there. Now, I'll tell you what, Dave. We've got a bit of a family affair in this game. Let me talk you through the permutations right here. Obviously, we've got Taisha and Anthony on the Blizzards are dating. Travis and Jasmine on the LAX-atives. Oh, Mr. Potter with some magic. Are dating. Gronk, Luke Sellen on the LAX-atives, of course, is future brother-in-law with our man Blake Alford here. And in classic North Adelaide style, this is very incestuous. That's the way we like it, Dave. No one would ever map that out and try and burn it, would they, Dave?
We do try to promote a family
We're a family environment, Dave. Newmarch all the way. Great save by Alford, though. Hathaway, good save. I think Travis might have got a piece of that.
Game. And we have a free clear for the Blizzards.
Gronk on the bottom corner.
Up to Jazzy at the top. Now she can shoot.
Oh, another great bit of coverage there from Blake Alford.
With the ball.
Oh, Potter almost weaves some magic. Maybe he has. Oh, faked everybody, including himself. I like the way he plays. I want him to stay around, Mr. Potter. I'm a huge, huge, huge fan. Oh, he's got it. Oh, unlucky. And he's got a little nudge there. Referee missed it. Blake says nothing to it. Blake thought no nudge. Oh, well read by Gronk. Oh, finds. Here we go. Oh.
In typical bottom left style, misses the pass.
Finds Newmarch. Oh, almost again. I'm impressed with Mr. Potter, Dave. I have loved his endeavour tonight.
Luke Sellen with another cut-off.
Luke Sellen, Gronky, just wielding it. Travis looking for a pass. Someone needs to move for him. Absolutely no one moving for Travis there. He's found Jasmine.
Harry Potter is open.
Harry Potter was open there. Didn't want to give it off. Great save again by Blake Alford. He's making me eat every single word I said about him going in goals. Potter with another great ground ball. Travis looking for a pass. They got an extra man because Hathaway is walking. Travis with a bad shot. Yeah, check there.
Stick check there on Harry Potter.
Now, Dave, we should just clarify for the people at home who think we may be taking the mickey out of Mr. Potter.
We
This
just
is actually,
don't know his name.
we don't know his name, and also both huge Harry Potter fans. So this is actually entirely complimentary, and I mean it with the utmost respect. We're just aware of, and a great finish by Jasmine Newmarch.
Going for the 5-hole.
Just showing her boyfriend Travis how to actually shoot. So we've got 5 minutes to go. The LAX-atives are up by 1. I must confess, I'm actually thinking Potter's my pick for best on tonight.
I agree.
His endeavour has been second to none.
He's definitely broken out the Avada Kedavra and he's good.
Yes. Gronky again. He needs a pass though. Someone needs to move for him. Finds Jasmine. Here we go. Oh, unlucky. Harry. Yes!
Harry Potter with his first goal.
First ever goal. We should be objective as commentators, Dave. But
Well,
we
his
are
name's about to come up on the board.
we are caught up in Potter fever. He's wielding magic.
No,
They didn't put his name up.
Oh, well, it's stuck with Harry
Look,
Potter.
I like the myth of Harry Potter more than his
Yeah.
real name. Absolute magic on the court from Harry. That might have cemented his position as our pick for best on ground today. Oh, Gronk's on. Oh, at the back. Oh, no, it's in. It's in.
Luke Sellen.
Luke Sellen. Brother-in-law on brother-in-law. They'll discuss that at family
we did
dinner.
Have a tie game, and now we just had a 3-goal run with the LAX-atives up 8-5.
Oh, no.
Pinky increases.
Pinky
stats.
scores.
What is he now?
I think he's
3 from 9.
3 from 43 at the moment.
No, that's just how old he is.
Now, Blake just said a little something to Luke Sellen about not getting any crackling at the family dinner on Sunday. Nice look. Oh, finds Potter. That's got to be Harry's ball. Yes, and Harry's come up with it. We're high on Harry. Gronk with the ball. Newmarch finishes. Blake not happy with the
9-6
defense.
The LAX-atives.
The Lakes. Now Travis Parrish talking a little smack in a social competition where he's done literally nothing is a bold strategy.
Not everyone can wear the red and white.
Gronk again.
Save there by Blake Alford.
It's a great save by Blake
Wrong
Alford.
option to Pinky.
It's always the wrong option when you've thrown it to Pinky.
Now the mistake he made there, he passed it directly to his shoulder.
Yes.
Shovel pass to Luke Sellen.
Gronk finds
Top to
Jasmine
Jazzy.
top.
Travis in the middle by himself.
Still can't score. Hasn't got close. Travis Parrish has looked like me in the woolshed on a Saturday night, Dave, and that is not close to scoring.
Now, that shot kind of looked like my 2-year-old throwing attention. That's why it didn't go in.
Great look from Anthony. Great save,
Saved
Jack
by
Zagopoulos.
Jay-Z. Now, with under 2 minutes to go, we have LAX-atives up by 3.
I think that might be done and dusted, Dave. The fat lady's going to start singing any second. She's hitting the falsetto.
Now, maybe putting their highest goal scorer in the cage in the second half is probably a bad choice.
We did discuss that, Dave, did we not? When we saw Blake come out, we thought that was the decision that's going to cost them the game.
He's done a terrific job in goals. He's made a lot of saves.
He's done a great job, but I just can't help but think, oh, Harry Potter, more magic. Oh, we can't help but think that that his loss on the court was bigger than what he was able to contribute on.
Shot by Travis, missing just outside. Stick check there, not seen by the ref.
Yeah. He's put the whistle away, let the boys play. Finds Anthony. Oh, almost had his second. Luke McCard to Hathaway. Great save, Jack Zagopoulos. New March. Great feed, Jasmine. Oh, we wanted Harry to get that. We wanted Harry to have that.
Under a minute to go, and I would say the LAX-atives have secured the win.
That's it, Dave. Great game, great competition, great tight contest. And yeah, just the last sort of couple of minutes, the LAX-atives have pulled away.
Just missing outside left.
Oh, well done by Anthony, fighting to the end. I've been impressed by the first gamers, I must confess.
Now, all the LAX-atives have to do is just hold on to this ball.
Yeah, and that's going to do it.
Left.
That's going to do it, Dave.
That is game.
That's game.
Well, good game there by the LAX-atives.
Great.
Out the Blizzards.
Great second half contest.
And
all right, we're going best of man of the match is Harry Potter.
Has to be Harry Potter.
That's got to be Harry Potter.
For the
LAX-atives. Now, Dave, we're about to play.
I am about to play.
So I'm playing. I think. Am I in? So we better just leave it here. Thanks for everyone tuning in. Peace.